United States of America stands as the undisputed global leader in military technology, a position earned through decades of innovation, strategy, investment, and unmatched industrial power. But what exactly makes the USA so far ahead of the rest of the world? Today, we take a deep dive into the powerful factors, hidden systems, and cutting-edge technologies that give America its dominant military edge. This is the story of advanced weapons, secret labs, trillion-dollar budgets, and the unstoppable machinery of American innovation. When we talk about U.S. military dominance, the first thing that comes to mind is its enormous defense budget. For decades, America has spent more on its military than the next several countries combined. This massive funding allows the United States to experiment with new ideas, test advanced weapons, and invest in technologies that other nations can only dream of. From hypersonic missiles to space-based surveillance, the U.S. has the ability to fund research on a scale no other country can match. But money alone is not why America dominates. It is the strategic use of that money, and the powerful ecosystems behind it, that truly set the U.S. apart. One of the biggest reasons is America's technological innovation network. The U.S. has Silicon Valley, the world's most advanced technological hub. Companies like Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, SpaceX, Raytheon, and Boeing partner with high-tech giants such as Google, Microsoft, and Palantir. Together, they create a fusion of military and civilian innovation that rapidly accelerates defense technology. Artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, robotics, autonomous drones, and advanced sensors all benefit from this ecosystem. No other country has this scale of collaboration between private industry and the military. Another major factor is the U.S. military-industrial complex, a phrase that describes the powerful partnership between defense companies, research labs, the Pentagon, and the government. This system ensures that ideas move quickly from concept to production. When the military identifies a need, companies immediately begin developing solutions, while universities and research labs support the scientific work behind the scenes. This fast, coordinated pipeline allows America to field new weapons faster and more efficiently, but innovation doesn't happen without intelligence. The U.S. has one of the most powerful intelligence networks in the world. Agencies like the CIA, NSA, and DIA provide critical information on emerging threats and foreign technologies. With this knowledge, the U.S. can stay ahead by developing weapons to counter future challenges before they even appear. American satellites, advanced spy planes, and cyber intelligence systems constantly monitor global activity, giving the Pentagon a real-time understanding of world events. This situational awareness is a massive advantage for strategic planning and technological development. Another key factor is research and development (R&D). The United States invests hundreds of billions of dollars into R&D for defense every decade. This research takes place in world-class laboratories like DARPA, the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency. DARPA has created some of the most influential technologies of the modern age, including stealth aircraft, GPS, the early foundations of the Internet, and modern drone warfare. DARPA's mission is simple: to create high-risk, high-reward breakthroughs that keep America decades ahead of rivals. When America develops advanced weapons, they aren't just powerful, they are designed to integrate with a massive network. The U.S. military uses something called network-centric warfare, which means all branches, Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, and Space Force, share information instantly. Drones relay real-time data to pilots, satellites send intelligence to ships, and ground forces communicate instantly through secure networks. This connected battlefield gives the U.S. unmatched coordination, speed, and precision. The U.S. Air Force is a prime example of this dominance. America has the largest fleet of fifth-generation stealth fighters in the world, including the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. These jets can detect enemies long before they are seen themselves. Most countries do not even have a single fifth-generation fighter. The U.S. has hundreds. And now, the U.S. is working on sixth-generation fighters under the NGAD program, featuring AI co-pilots, adaptive engines, drone wingmen, and advanced stealth. By the time other nations catch up to fifth-generation jets, America will already be on the next level. The United States Navy is another major pillar of dominance. The U.S. has the world's largest and most advanced fleet of aircraft carriers, floating cities of power projection that let America reach any point on Earth. The new Gerald-era Ford-class carriers have electromagnetic launch systems, advanced radar, and nuclear reactors that allow them to operate for decades. No other country matches this scale. The U.S. also leads in submarines, especially the Virginia-class and upcoming Columbia-class submarines, which are extremely stealthy, quiet, and capable of launching devastating nuclear missiles. The U.S. Army leads in advanced ground technology. From the Abrams tank to state-of-the-art armored vehicles, America continues to upgrade its land forces with new sensors, communication systems, and AI-assisted targeting. Future concepts include robotic fighting vehicles, next-gen helicopters, and advanced missile defense systems that can track and destroy hypersonic threats. Speaking of missile defense, the U.S. has one of the most complex missile defense networks ever built. Systems like THAAD, Patriot, and Aegis protect American forces and allies around the world. New laser weapons and electromagnetic railguns are being tested to shoot down missiles at extreme speeds. America's missile defense is a combination of sensors, satellites, radars, and interceptors all working together to detect, track, and eliminate threats. Now, we cannot talk about modern warfare without discussing drones. The U.S. pioneered drone technology with systems like the Predator, Reaper, and Global Hawk. These drones transformed surveillance and strike missions. Today, America is pushing even further with autonomous drones, loyal wingmen, and AI-controlled swarms. These systems can identify targets, conduct surveillance, and carry out missions with minimal human control. This gives the U.S. a huge advantage, especially in large-scale conflicts. Another area of dominance is cyber warfare. The United States Cyber Command oversees offensive and defensive cyber operations. With highly advanced tools, America can infiltrate enemy networks, disrupt communication systems, and protect its own critical infrastructure from attack. Cyber warfare is becoming one of the most important battlegrounds, and America is leading the charge with unmatched digital power. Then comes space, the new frontier of military power. The United States Space Force may be the newest military branch, but it already plays a crucial role. America operates the world's most advanced satellites for communication, navigation, surveillance, and early warning systems. The U.S. can track missile launches from anywhere on Earth, monitor enemy movements, and secure global communication lines. Space is becoming the heart of modern warfare, and America plans to dominate it. Another reason the U.S. leads is its alliance network. NATO, along with dozens of bilateral partnerships, gives America access to global bases, strategic locations, and shared technology. These alliances allow the U.S. to project power anywhere on the planet with unmatched speed. No other nation has such a deep network of trusted partners. Together, they conduct training, joint operations, and intelligence sharing, increasing America's global influence. But all these systems rely on one final element: skilled personnel. The U.S. military invests heavily in training soldiers, pilots, engineers, and operators. American service members train with the most advanced simulators, equipment, and real-world exercises. They are taught to think, adapt, and innovate. This human talent, combined with extreme technology, creates a force that is not just powerful but unstoppable. Another often overlooked factor is American universities. Institutions like MIT, Stanford, and Caltech feed the military with groundbreaking research and world-class graduates. American universities attract the smartest people from all over the world, creating a melting pot of ideas and talent that drives technological advancement. And then there is America's culture of innovation. The United States encourages risk-taking, experimentation, and entrepreneurship. Many of the world's most revolutionary technologies, from microchips to rockets, were born here. This spirit of innovation naturally feeds into military technology, pushing boundaries and setting new global standards. Finally, America's dominance in military technology is built on long-term consistency. While other nations experience fluctuations in political stability, economic conditions, or leadership priorities, the U.S. maintains a steady commitment to military advancement. This long-term vision ensures that even during challenges, progress continues. In the end, the USA's dominance in military technology is not due to just one factor, it is the result of a powerful combination. Massive funding, cutting-edge innovation, elite intelligence, advanced R&D, global alliances, and a seamless partnership between industry and the military all come together to create a force unlike anything the world has ever seen. From the skies to the oceans, from cyber networks to outer space, America has built a military machine designed not just for today, but for the future. And as new emerging technologies like quantum